In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Microsoft Planner as Kanban board. To get started, open Microsoft Planner in your web browser. Make sure you are signed in to the correct work or school account, since your plans are tied to that account. When Planner loads, go to the My Day area. This is a helpful launch point because it gives you quick access to what you are working on right now, and it also connects you to your full list of plans. Once you are on My Day, look to the left side navigation and select My Plans. This view is important for Kanban-style work because it helps you jump into a specific plan where the board view lives. If you have many plans, take a moment to scan the list carefully. Plans are usually organized by recents or by groups depending on how your organization has set things up. Next, open the plan you want to use as your Kanban board. In this walkthrough, you would click the plan named for project management. Opening the plan takes you into the main workspace where tasks are organized into columns, which Microsoft Planner calls buckets. This board layout is the core of using Planner like a Kanban board because it supports visual workflow management and quick updates. After the plan is open, click on the task titled Report Monthly Status. Selecting a task brings up its details, which is where you can manage the work item more effectively. Even when you are using Planner as a Kanban board, it is worth opening tasks to review information, confirm what needs to be done, and keep task names consistent so the board stays easy to scan. Then click on the task named Identify Goals and Objectives. This lets you move between different work items in the same plan and review their details one by one. As you work through tasks like these, keep your focus on using the board view to represent progress clearly. Task titles should describe outcomes, and you should use the same naming style across the board so each column is easy to understand at a glance. By navigating from My Day into My Plans, into your project plan, and then opening specific tasks, you are using Microsoft Planner in a straightforward Kanban-style workflow where tasks live on a visual board and can be managed quickly. And that is all there is to it.